Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So do you ever feel that you are really hard to decide some option in several conditions? So don't think by yourself, let your follower on Instagram help you decide. So how to do that? You just need to use the feature called polling. So how to get that? You just need to open the Instagram application, swipe your screen into the right side, and then you just need to pick the picture as the background right here. Let's say I would like to use this background. So this cat is kind of confused, so it could be like represent your feeling, and now you just need to tap into these options. Now to create a poll, tap into this poll option. Now we just need to add the questions that you're really confused for. Let's say here, what best for dinner? And then you just need to add the options that you are confusing. So let's say you're confused to eat a pasta, and or you just need to want to have a simple steak, or you have any more option, you just need to add it. Now you just need to go click done, guys. Place this polling into this specific area that you want to have, and make sure you're not adjusting this into small, so that it could be like make your follower difficult to read the text. So right after you're done, you just need to tap into your story and wait until your follower responded. Whenever someone respond or pick the option, that will be like have the percentage on it, so you can just pick the highest percentage on the end result. So that's the way how you can get the help to decide the option that you are confusing or hard to decide to with only Instagram. So that's for today's tutorial, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this. So let's meet again into other tutorial.